Today I'm taking a quick look at the HAPPRUN C58 smart projector from HAPPRUN, and honestly, this thing sits right in that budget but surprisingly capable category. Right out of the box, you're getting native 1080p with 4K input support, plus a Google TV interface, which is a big win at this price. That means Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video all run natively. No extra streaming stick or weird workarounds. Setup is also refreshingly easy. Autofocus and auto keystone kick in fast, so you're basically up and running in minutes. The built-in dual 10W speakers with Dolby Audio are decent too, good enough for a bedroom or casual movie night. But it's not perfect. In bright rooms, the image loses punch, and if you push the screen size too large, you'll notice some softness. Also, the fan noise is there. You'll hear it during quiet scenes. Still, for the price, this is a solid wall TV replacement. Great for casual viewing, not for hardcore cinema setups.